Today we are here to honor Sally, my old Xbox. He's broken and crap like that. Over 1 year old, and you know Xboxes are a piece of shit when they break. So we need to do a close up on breaking it.
Ready?
Go. It still survived. My turn. Okay, you record it?
We each get 2 tries.
No, one at a time.
We
It's
each
easy.
get 2.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this side.
Maybe it's
My bat's probably wounded.
Joy. It'll be awesome. My turn.
Ooh, I knocked the center. I knocked the yo out.
Oh, well, I am so good. Glad. Hey, that's my new one. I'm joking. Hit it 2 times.
2 more times?
No, 1 time with on the head. Oh.
Oh, wait, alright, 1 more time.
No.
Ready?
No, no.
1 more time.
Fine. That's mine. That's my turn.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna kill you. Film the Xbox, okay?
How do I do it?
Wait, you know, just film.
Am I doing it right now?
This is
Click film.
okay.
Click film and go out there. Click
hold
film.
like that. Hold like that.
Click film.
It is on. Look. Okay, go.
Alright, that's my brother.
Hey, watch it.
Dude, easy on my bat. Easy on my bat.
One more.
Alright, stop. Oh, stop.
And look at the damage. What?
Look at that. Look, a shark bite.
Can I rape it real quick?
No, you hold that.
Rape it, wait.
No, we have to pick up other people.
Wait, I'll look at
Oh,
it.
you damaged the metal.
Oh, yeah. Man,
Oh, I have a great idea.
we effed it up for good.
I have a great idea. I love my idea.
Oh, yeah. Say forward. Holy crap. Oh, my fucking... Man. Look at that piece over there. Okay, my turn.
Wait, I get 1 more. Hold that, I love you.
Did you record it last time?
Yeah. Alright.
One more on the head. Finisher! Okay. Oh. Wait, it's my turn. It's metal. It's not gonna break. Okay, you record now. Record it, okay? This is Zoom. This.